Hello everyone, I am Initial Suhas from FTC Team 18386 Parallax Robotics. In this video, we're going to be looking at how to download and install Android Studio, Git, and SourceTree so you can start your first robot program. First, in order to streamline the setup process, we had to put together a document outlining all the steps needed on our website, which you can find at www.parallaxrobotics.org, or click the link in the description below. Once you have navigated to the homepage of the website, head over to the top right of the screen and click on the Resources tab. Under Resources, scroll down to the Drive Resource folder located at the bottom of the page. Inside, you should be able to see the coding setup document. Click on this doc to get started. Once you have opened the coding setup document, click the link under Step 1 to download the appropriate JDK installer for your machine. For this tutorial, I will be downloading the Windows x64 installer, but keep in mind you can still follow along if you are working off of a Mac device. Once the installer download is complete, run the installer as an administrator and follow the steps to install the JDK, using all defaults during the initial installation process. Basically, just keep hitting next without changing anything. Once you have successfully installed the JDK, head back to the setup doc and click the link in Step 3 to download Android Studio on your device. Click the link to download Android Studio for your device. Once again, run the installer as an administrator, following the steps as provided and making sure to not change any of the defaults like in the previous download. Once you have successfully installed Android Studio, head back to the setup doc and click the link in Step 5 to download the SourceTree installer on your device. If you have a Windows system like I do, click the Windows installer. Otherwise, use the Mac OS installer. Once the installer download is complete, run the installer as administrator and follow the steps to install SourceTree. First, when it asks for registration, click the option on the right, Bitbucket, which will then open a login page. At this point, log in with Google or sign up for an account if you want to use a different email address. After logging in, grant access and close the browser. Next, when asked to pick tools to download and install, select Git, but keep Mercurial unselected. After clicking Next, under Preferences, put your full name and email address in the respective boxes for global author details. Then, click Next again, and when it asks if you have an SSH key, click No. Congrats, you have now successfully downloaded and installed the JDK, Android Studio, and SourceTree. We will now begin the configuration process to fit your FTC programming needs. First step in configuration is to open the File Explorer. Right-click on this PC, which is located on the left side of your screen, and then click Properties. Then, click on Advanced System Settings. After that, click Environment Variables. Next, under System Variables, click New. And then make a new variable with the name of Java Home, Java_Home, and then a value of the location of your JDK file. The value of your JDK file should look like C:\/program files /Java/JDK-15.0.2. Finally, click OK and close out the window. Now we are going to configure SourceTree. After opening SourceTree, click Add an Account. Then, switch the hosting service to GitHub and click Refresh OAuth Token. In the browser, sign into your GitHub account or sign up if you don't have one yet. Once signed in, close the browser. I hope this tutorial was helpful in getting you started with your future FTC programming projects. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and be on the lookout for the rest of our FTC programming series.